Hey everyone, welcome to hauchicyt. Today I'm going to compare two beautiful bags, which are the Lady Dior's, and I'm going to compare the mini size with the small size. So recently we got this beautiful mini size, and then I also previously got the Lady Dior in the small size, and this was actually a pre-loved one, and this one is a brand new one from in-store. So starting off with the small size, so this one is 20 centimeters wide, and then this one is actually 17 millimeters wide. So you do have about an inch or 3 centimeters gap across each of them, but you can see on the sides of them, they're actually relatively similar. It's just one would be taller than the other just to make that square shape. So the good thing about this size is that it has its own unique features. Just like the mini as well, it also has the flap, and the flap is really handy. And I think they started making all of the mediums and the larges into flaps because I think the zipper design was just not as functional as just having an open flap. The story behind the zipper is actually quite nice because Lady Diana wanted something a bit more secret, so she could like put her hand in there and then nobody would see what's inside her bag. But for us, we don't need that, so we prefer a nice open bag. Inside I have this strap, and this one is a very unique strap. I do have the older design of this bag, which was around 2017. This is actually a nice, beautiful thick strap, and it just makes it very comfortable to wear because of such a nice sturdy strap. I know the medium has a thinner strap than this, and I think it's about half of the thickness. So when you do wear the medium version, it can dig into your shoulder, but with this one, it's super thick, super sturdy, and because it's so wide, it just doesn't hurt your shoulders at all. So another thing I like about this strap is that you can adjust the size of this by changing the little puncture holes here so that you can make it longer and shorter depending on your height. But the unique one of this is the 3 little badges here. So this is the older design, so I have the 3 little pins here. They pop out just like buttons, and just like that. So it's just little buttons that you can just insert in and out. And I think if you wanted to purchase these are around £25 each. So with the older design, it is quite cheap to just replace any of these, and you can customize them whichever way you want. So I like that ability that you can do that with this small size. I think with the new one, they started doing something called the My ABC Dior's. So they have a little extra piece of leather here, and inside you can just add some ABC charms. So you can write your initials, you can have different symbols depending on what you want. They have a lot of ranges for that. So for me, I personally prefer the older style with the 3 pin badges because I just think they're so unique and it's just so pretty. But depending on what you want, you can always look in the pre-loved market whether you want this one, or if you just want to go into the store and get the new version where you can customize the ABC charms. So that's something unique about this bag. Now when you wear this bag crossbody, it's very comfortable. You can wear it on the shoulder, but I really love wearing this crossbody, and it just makes this bag more casual because of the thick strap, but it just makes it more wearable for every day. But then when you want to take it to a more of an elegant approach, you can just wear it by the top handle, and I just think it has the classic look but without this strap, which could make it a little bit more bulky. I think the strap just makes a huge difference on the way that you wear this bag. This alone, you can take it to a lovely evening out, you can take it to beautiful events, and it will just look really elegant. But with the strap, you can just wear it every day. So that's a little like bonus thing with this bag. So inside, I actually have a bag organizer, and this one is from Samorga. So this just helps protect the lining inside. But we have this like grey inner lining here, and at the back we have a zipper pocket, and at the front we have a little flat pocket here. So that's quite nice to have, and it just keeps your bag really organized. But I just like to use this bag organizer just to keep things simple. So inside we can fit my phone, we can fit my card holder, compact, my keys, and then my lip color, and that all fits very comfortably inside, so there's plenty of room. So you can even put another like sunglasses on top, you can put your hand sanitizer, you can still fit quite a lot of items in here, and it's just very, very comfortable. And then when you tuck this over, it's just very, very nice. So I don't like to stuff this too much because I don't want to stretch this bag and warp the leather. Another thing is that when you do add this much items, it can get a little bit heavy, so just be wary of that. But otherwise, this amount, I think this is okay to carry. Now with the mini Lady Dior, I do have an unboxing of this. So I will put the link up here. And this is just a beautiful bag because it is my mum's and we both share our bags. We share all of our bags. So this one is a mini size. So the similar features of this bag is that it has the flap feature at the top. So it's quite easy to take in and out, and it's just got one wide opening. It's very, very similar to the small Lady Dior. So the main difference I would say on the inside would be that this is more of a suede lining just because of the exotic leather and the design. But I think with the normal quilted design, it does also have the fabric lining on the inside. On the back, we have a zipper compartment, so it's just the same, but at the front we don't have that little flap insert here, so that pocket is not going to be existing in this bag. And then what's really unique about this bag is the strap, and the strap is a beautiful piece of jewelry. It's just like this nice shiny chain, and it's got this leather strap here which is very comfortable to wear. So if you are looking for something a bit more elegant but it's comfortable to wear, this one is the one to go. You can also interchange this with the other bags if you do have some, and it's just really, really beautiful. I think this is more of an elegant bag because of the size and also because of this strap. This strap makes this bag even more elegant because it's just like a beautiful jewelry piece. It's got that extra added shine, and especially if you just hold it with the chains dangling down, it's just so beautiful. It's like being enriched with lots of gold colors, and I just think it's super shiny and elegant. This is definitely a way more dressy bag than the small size because I find that this one is more of a hybrid of being elegant on its own, but then with the strap it's a little bit more casual, whereas this one is elegant without the strap and even more sparkly and showcasey with the shine of the strap. So this one is definitely more of an elegant design. In terms of what you can fit into it, a lot of people say that this is kind of like a useless bag where you can't really fit much in there, but to be honest, for me, I think this fits quite a lot more than you think. It even fits my large phone, which is the OnePlus 7T Pro, and I just insert it in like sideways. I just put in my card holder, and then I'll put my keys, and then maybe a lip color. I don't think I would fit my compact in there because it's quite stuffed, but other than the compact, I think it does fit quite a lot of items in there, and it's basically the essentials that I really need. In terms of everyday, I would still be able to wear this bag out, and it would be quite a versatile bag. It's just a little bit more dressy, and depending on what color you get it in, then it would either be more casual or not. But I think overall this is more of a dressy bag to wear. So that is my comparison of the two bags. Let me know what you think. So if you want to see the unboxings of these two bags, then I will link them both over here, and I'll see you over there. Bye.